to see what's in here. Okay, so. Back it along. Correct. No different. Shorter. I'm gonna make floor mats. I was gonna make something with this, maybe a skirt. Just want to see what was in here. What type of stuff I have in here? Oh yeah, I made these little aprons. Little aprons for little girls. More aprons. There's no skirt. Where's some scribbles? I guess the person's not coming to get a joint. Well, half an hour ago, and he lives around the corner. He wanted a joint. He does this to me all the time. Who else is your car? Oh, coming over there. I like to cover that up and just use the piece. Use that as a... I'm gonna cut that up. Finding some things to cut up for my mat. Oh, this one I'm gonna cut up too. More to cut up. Making a floor mat. Corona. Will Crawford. This is somebody didn't want it, so I was gonna cut it. These are all t-shirt on here, so I did find the t-shirts in that spot. To do my mat, I'm gonna use them to do my mat. These are all t-shirts I used for the other project that I did. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna be doing some cutting today. Okay, we're making a mat. Oh, I make bandanas too. This one here is a kind of wacky one. Okay, so this one here was cut the wrong way because the stretchy fabric is that way, so I guess that's why it went. A fail. It is a washcloth. We can use a. Well, this here. Actually, make a hat out of it. Yeah. Maybe someone's here. Maybe they got in. Hold on. There's no one there. It's just someone walking back. Almost done here. Almost got them all up, and then we're gonna start cutting. I think I'm putting it on. I'll put it on time lapse when I'm cutting. Okay, I think we're done. Okay. I think we got enough for now. Close it. Bring it back on. Okay, so now we have a pile of right here that we're gonna cut up. Right there, we're gonna cut this all up. So what you're gonna need is a scissor. And I got these containers from the dollar store. And so here's already some that are cut up. So this is what I'm gonna do. Until I have lots of them, so make a mat. So this is not cut up yet. But they're all just cut up in strips like this. So just whatever, just strips. So I gotta cut up all of the stuff that I got. And then I got one for the little pieces. This is going to be filler for something when I make some pillows or something. Stuff that you can't really do anything with. So this is gonna be filler. So I'm getting organized. I just ended up doing a job I didn't want to do. It was I must have gotten some food with some bugs in it, and I just had to throw out and go through a lot of my food in my cupboard, in my pantry, and throw it out. There's a whole garbage bag of food that I just had to throw out. All three pancake mixes that I had, throw them out. And I cleaned all of it, everything, and then I had to throw out noodles. They were right inside the noodles. The pack must have lost its air and there would be a hole somewhere. So they got in the noodles. They got into a rice, everything like that. Like any packages, I had to take them out and try to save them. So I have to still go through the macaroni and cheese, see if they got into that. But let's get started. So what we're gonna do is just we're gonna finish cutting this, and this is the hoodie of something of the shirt that I did. So I'm just gonna cut. There's double fabric, so I'm just gonna cut straight across, and I'm gonna cut this off here. And this is gonna be part of the little pieces, but I'm gonna cut that little hole off. So I'm gonna cut straight across. This is a good job to do on a cold winter's night or day. It's snowing out, and now it's raining out, so okay, itchy nose already. So now we have 2 strips, and I will show you guys later what I do with them. So I'm going to try to keep them color coordinated. I'm going to cut the top of the hood here, where the seam is. See if I can just rip the seam. I'm going to cut it. I'm just going to go to where that bend ends. That's going to be a different style. So I'm going to double it so we can get through it faster. If this is the big scissors, so I might go through it faster. And the strips don't have to be exactly. I'm just going to go through and cut. Should probably put it on time lapse. So I'm going to be making a video of also of cinnamon buns and other buns I made. I made some, what are they called? S'mores buns. I make s'mores. There we go. And now we're gonna grab another one. I'm gonna try to stay with the blue first, do all the blue ones. And here's another one. I used the bottom half for a weaving rug, so now we can use the top half for a mat, a rug, a floor mat. So I'm just gonna cut these sleeves off. Cut the sleeves off. Finally, retrograde is over today. No more confusion. Okay, so for this, I'm just going to cut this top edge off here where the seam is. Cut on both sides, and then we're going to use that for just for little pieces. So I'm just going to cut strips. They don't have to be perfect because it's gonna be all bunched up when it's in the mat. Let's cut the other arm. Now see. You can take a little more off so maybe more a little straight. Now I got this part left. So go straight across. I don't want to start putting them on my reading desk. So stay tuned for the final product. So this is the preparation for making rugs and making floor mats. And these are great and they last forever. You can throw them in the wash machine and everything. I learned that from my grandma and from my mom and from aunts and from my aunts. I mean, they all make them. So it's my time to make them. And I have lots of extra clothes that I can use. So I'm a revamper. I like to make new things out of old things. So I hope you enjoy the process. God bless, and hope you try to make something too. Have a great day, and I hope you subscribe to my channel if you like what I do here. God bless. Have a great day.